Now, as far as the sheet goes, in order for us to work together on this sheet, what I'd like you to do is take a copy of it so that it will be just yours, and we can share the information that's on that sheet. So to do that, you will see the drop down menu at the top. There is the option there to make a copy. It's slightly different, I've noticed, on the desktop and mobile version. On the mobile version, I think there are the three dots that give you a menu at the top right hand corner, and you've got the same kind of option to make a copy that way. Once you've made a copy, you can put your name on it so that I can identify the sheet. And then once you've done that, finally you can share that Google Sheet back with me again, and then we can work on it together. And that separates it from the original template, and also each of you have your own individual copy that we can work on together. So if there are any problems with that, any questions, of course, just ask in the usual way. Best of luck with it. This is our initial strength-based training program. So best of luck, and I'll speak to you soon.